morning. Hope you guys are fine and keeping safe as well. Welcome back again to the channel and welcome back to a platform. Today is the beginning of a new vlog. I've not vlogged in a while. It has been a while. Sorry guys, because this sun is just too hot. To take out the camera to do vlog is so difficult, and to do sit and talk video, your fan will be making us, and I cannot do it without my fan because it's heat and I'll be falling out of my face and you will not expect it. Anyway, today I'm going out. I have an appointment this morning, so I will be doing other things later in the day. So let me start this vlog this morning. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, I'm through for my appointment, but now I want to buy something in the supermarket card. Yes, I need to get something that we ladies use. Let me show you the thing. This I'm going to get 5 of it. I'm taking 5. Really? Echo. This 5 is okay for me. See. So guys, I'm here to buy small meat. Not that I don't have meat at home. I have meat in the freezer, but I just need fresh meat. I want to make yam and wood this afternoon. I need that fresh meat. That's why I'm here to buy. Look at where I am. Afro shop. This shop. I'm here to buy fresh meat. Okay? Let's go inside.
Inside of me, in this desert, I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay? I will go the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, love.
So I'm back in the house. Look at my boy over there sitting down with mommy. Anyway, I'm back. I'm tired and I'm just lying down in the bed. The sun is too much. My God, this sun, I don't know. The appointment that I actually went to, it was fast and it was quick. That's why I finished on time. Now I'm going to make my yam and wool. So I'm going to show the process of me making this yam, because someone actually called me that how do I make my owo that is thick, no, just like the way they make it in Nigeria. I said okay, I will do a video. I show the person how I make the owo. Maybe it will be in Cook with Ease, or I will do the video here. I don't know which of the one of the both it will be. Okay. My boy will not let my earring do this, you see. Nevan, do you like my earring? Hey, Nevan, look at you. You like my earring? You like it? Say it now. Do you like my earring? Yes or no? Hey, don't pull out my ear. Okay, guys, see you later. So guys, I was tired and hungry that afternoon. I said okay, let me drink garri before making my owo and yam. So if you are a fan of garri and you are watching this video, you love garri like me, just say it in the comment section, because me, hey, I drink garri, or I love garri. Even my mother can testify to that. With everything, groundnuts, milk, sugar. I don't add sugar because I actually use condensed milk on this one. That's why I did not use sugar. So the garri tastes really good, and I love it. I love it with cold water and ice, but it was so good. So I gained all my strength back. So I started to cook that very day because the sun was just too much. Look at that. Look at that.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change.
Hey guys, good evening. How you guys doing? So during the summer, the day don't get dark so fast. It's 9 o'clock now. The day is still bright like this. It's 9 o'clock. Then we are just in our favorite room. My son's favorite room. We are here. So I brought him out of the house for him to run around a little bit. I finished cooking and inside this, so even this outside. I'm still sweating this night. Man, the sun today is just too much. So not only today, throughout this week, everywhere has been hot. I mean, I feel it a lot. I don't know. Italian weather, when it is winter, it's something else. Summer, don't dare. It's something else too. So we are managing it. We are here. We are used to it. So I'm just looking at my boy. That's why I'm looking with one eye. Looking at him running around. Yes.
Loved by you. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, love, love.
Boo boo, remove your man. Can never. Never. Come on, show them your face now. Why are you hiding it? Look at this cute face. Hey, so your everyone is tired now, so it's just resting. We are going inside now. To enjoy watching, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. See you all in my next one. Bye. Mwah.